Cancer introduction. Among diseases, cancer ranks high as a major killer, being responsible in recent years. Cancer is estimated that about 1 million people in United States receives treatment for some kind of cancer each year. Of these, more than half are new cases, having been diagnosed for the first time during the year. If present trends continues, about one fourth of the nation's citizens will sooner or later develop cancer. These are several kinds of cancer. All of them are malignant tumors. A tumor is a swelling or mass resulting from abnormal growth of tissue. Cancer is likely to damage important or vital growth in any or all parts of the body, causing serious disease and often death. Types of cancer. First, leukemia, cancer of blood in which white blood cells show an abnormal increase. Second, carcinomas, cancer of epithelial cell. Third, sarcomas, cancer of connective tissues. Fourth, lipomas, cancer of adipose tissues.
Characteristics. A few important characteristics of cancer cells are given below. Cancer cell cultures are immortal and can grow indefinitely. Cancer cells do not show contact inhibition. Cancer cell lack intracellular adhesion. Cancer cell does not depend upon anchorage. In cancer cell, molecular changes in all membrane components have been found. Tuberous cells consume much more glucose than normal cells because they have to grow and multiply.
Causes. Heredity has a definite influence on occurrence of cancer in human being. Exposure of ultraviolet rays also causes cancer. X-rays also induce cancer. Tobacco chewing is also main cause of oral cancer. Syphilis of the tongue, jagged teeth often precedes cancer of tongue. Certain chemicals found in cigarettes and smoke, asbestos, nickel, and certain dyes, to mention only a few of many substances implicated in induction of cancer.
Cancer symptoms. Any persistent lump or thickening in tissue, especially in the lip and tongue or breast. Unexplained loss of weight, difficulty in swallowing, persistent cough or hoarseness, a change in digestive habits, loss of blood to natural auricle or excess out of date loss of blood in women, change in color of infected areas like male wart.
Location. Bile ducts. The bile ducts may become involved either with cancer developing within the ducts themselves or with cancer in adjacent structures. Breast. The breast is the common site of cancer in women. Lumps in the breast is caused by cancer. Bone. The cancer of bone grows due to blood streams or form as some adjacent organ or tissues. Esophagus. Cancer of esophagus is also common. It may occur in any part of the organ from the throat on down, but mostly in the lower part. Lung. The main reason for the lung cancer is cigarette. Without treatment, the survival rate for the usual type of lung cancer is 0.
Cure and treatment. Diagnosis. Biopsy of tissue, endoscopy, gastroscope for stomach, X-ray, ultrasound are important tests. Treatment of cancer. Surgery, bone marrow grafting for leukemia, radiotherapy, hormonal therapy, chemotherapy drugs which are more toxic to cancer cells than normal cells. Two drugs from Catharanthus rosae are effective in controlling leukemia. Toxil is anti-cancer drug obtained from Taxus baccata.
Conclusion. Cancer disease is incurable, but timely action can cure this disease to some extent. X-rays and radium have proved to be valuable aid to surgery in the treatment of many cases. They provide the only useful treatment for cancer of lymph node tissues. For cancers to extend to the curable, irritation also helps to cause the cancer tissue to shrink and give relief.